Sometimes we want to run a block of code only when a certain condition is true. In Swift, we can use if statement for this purpose. Say in our code, we will print a message if player's current score is greater than previous best score. Let's see how we can write code to represent that. Let's take a close look at the syntax of if statement. We start with if keyword, which is followed by the condition. We then put a block of code in curly braces, which will be executed if the condition is true. Let's run the code. Here we compare whether the current score is greater than best score. Since the condition is false, the code block associated with if statement doesn't run. Let's see another example. Here we check if the secret key is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If that's the case, we print welcome. Let's run the code. Since the condition is true, we see the welcome message printed on the debug area.